Daming bunga ng rose hips. Kuha tayo. Especially this colder months. Yung wala ng fresh fruits. High in vitamin C. And paano kumain ng rose hips? Hatiin mo lang. Ganyan. Tanggalin mo yung seeds. And mga balahibo. Yeah. Good as it is. Or put it in salads. Tanggalin yung balahibo na yan. Makati yan. Put it in salads or make it in the jam. Parang apple. Matamis-tamis. Kuha tayo.